just getting jumpy, I guess.
Well done, well done. Most enjoyable indeed. I haven't felt this exhilarated in years.
Yes. I suppose you've earned the right to do as you like.
I shall miss your company. This has been a simply wonderful time.
The door is now open. Through it you may return to the real world, and whatever inferior existence you have there.
Son, you've saved me. I was afraid I'd be trapped in there forever. It's so good to see you, but what are you doing here? Well, I'm glad you did. This certainly wasn't how I expected things to turn out. I wasn't ready for brawn, or I might have fared better. It certainly is. It's nice to feel that I'm on two legs again. And thanks to Dr. Braun, I know that Project Purity isn't lost after all. I was right about Braun. The technology he developed is unstable, even dangerous. But it can be adapted for Project Purity. I need to return to Rivet City and talk with Madison. If we can find a GEC, we can make Project Purity work. Yes, with what I've learned, Madison is sure to see that we can finally succeed where we failed so many years ago. I'd like you to come with me. I'd like you to be there when we finally open the floodgates. That's my boy. Let's hurry. Now that I know what we need, I want to get back to work as soon as possible. I understand that you have reason to question a good many things I've told you over the years. But your mother... I've never lied to you about what happened. Not once. She died giving birth to you. It was a difficult time. She was so eager to meet you, to make a place for you in the world. If nothing else, please believe that she loved you very much. Be careful, my son.
Hey there. You're back.
And with good news. I was right about the gag. If you find one, you can adapt it.
Just so.
Madison, I'm telling you, this is real. Dr. Brooke himself, he confirmed it. This is what we've been waiting for.
I know. Someone's past. Is it really worth trying?
Worth it. Be a more worthy and
Lost any of your passion, have you?
it's as important to me as ever, Madison. You know, you two. Let's finish it together.
James, we don't have a small team together. Work before people believe us.
No, I was thinking about that. The lab facility had some these scouts. One of them might be useful.
The last reports, there's no power in the facility. Even if one of the computers had a data, we couldn't access it.
That's why we're going to head over now and get things up and running the best we can.
You know, if it were anyone else asking me to do this, we'd run right out of Riven City.
You know I wouldn't be here if I didn't think it would really work. It's time, Madison.
Damn you, James. When this is all over, you owe me a drink. We have to team together.
Thank you, Madison. It's good to be working with you again. Is everything all right? We need to get back to Jet Purity. The computer there has the best chance to locate a gek. That's my boy. It'll be